We require some information from civil also. Factory Act requirements. These are all the things we are looking from civil side. Then economical consideration with regard to type of structure, whether we are going for concrete structure or steel structure. This information comes from civil side. Column spacing, column and beam spacing, we are looking from civil side. Then size and slope of floor drains, grading and grade elevations are this information we are looking from civil. Underground facilities like stormwater trench, slope requirements, manhole, sump, pits, elevation and dimension. All this information is raised by civil department and they share it with piping team. Then only they put this information into their plot plan. Okay, from mechanical side, we are looking for sizes of equipment, auxiliary, package item, rotary machines. At the beginning of the project, we are looking from mechanical, what kind of equipment they are giving us, what are the sizes, what are auxiliary items we are having, what are the packaged item, what are the rotary and static equipments. This information comes from mechanical only. Then for monorail, EOT, port requirement for maintenance, approach, operation, operating space requirements, everything for these things we are looking for from mechanical only, because these things are vendor related things, and with vendor mechanical items, mechanical team coordinate with them and they provide the final information to piping. Then from electrical, space requirement for electrical cable tray and trenches. Main deliverable from electrical is cable route, so for that we require how much space they are looking for, so that information we take from electrical and accordingly we allocate that space into our unit plot plan. Power receiving station space requirement for local control panel, push button, etc. So all these are electrical related items. Piping team, most of the time they don't know in detail what kind of space is required, so everything comes from electrical side. Once this information is received, that is allocated in plot plan. Similarly, from instrumentation, space requirement for instrument cable, that information comes from instrumentation team. Then space and location requirement for analyzer, cabinet, rooms. That means all instrument related items, whatever space is required, that comes from instrumentation team. So all these disciplines they provide this information to piping while we are updating our plot plan, whichever stage it is, whether it is preliminary stage or final stage. Every time whenever the information gets mature, they pass this information to piping and they put it into their plot plan. So once this information is freezed, then final plot plan is freezed.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.